Did you know you could use your AirPods Pro as an external microphone when you pair it with your iPhone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that, and we'll also compare it with a cheap external microphone. Let's get started. Last year, I made a video about how you can use your AirPods Pro with your iPhone as an external microphone so that you can capture good audio whenever you are outside and your camera is away from you. I used Pro video camera, but unfortunately now this camera gives you a watermark. Whenever you record a video, to get rid of that, you have to pay rupees 300, which is equivalent to $2.5. If you don't want to pay to use an app, I'm going to share another good third-party camera app which is absolutely free to use. The app is called Blackmagic Camera. It is from the same developers who have created DaVinci Resolve, which is an amazing video editor. So you can install this from the App Store and go to the settings area. By default, this does not record videos in vertical format. Even if you hold your camera like this will crop the vertical video and will give you a landscape video. Because this is the Blackmagic camera, which is mainly used for shooting cinematic videos because it gives you more control. But we will be using our AirPods as an external microphone. To do that, you can scroll down and find audio source where you can select AirPods Pro. Currently, there are three options: none, iPhone's microphone, and AirPods. So I have connected my AirPods. Now I will record a sample on this camera just to show you how it works. So this is the video sample that I'm recording inside this Blackmagic camera, and I have connected my AirPods Pro to it, and hopefully the audio is getting recorded through the AirPods Pro. This is how it sounds. It can be really useful when you go outside, and if you hold your camera like this and there is a lot of noise, your camera will have difficulty focusing your audio and you might not be audible. So this is a good solution because your AirPods are anyway with you all the time. Now let's compare the audio quality of the microphones of AirPods Pro with this cheap external microphone which I bought for my iPhone. I have actually created a video and posted it on my YouTube channel. If you want to see, you can check that out. This is a lightning adapter because my iPhone is pretty old. For the newer ones, they have also got USB Type-C. This does not have any battery, so it's plug and play. All you have to do is plug it into your iPhone, and the receiver has to be clipped to your t-shirt or your shirt, and it has to be turned on. By the way, it charges via USB Type-C. There's a Type-C slot. Once you turn it on, there is a constant red light, which means it is connected to the transmitter. On the transmitter, there will be a constant blue light, which means there is a connection between these two devices. Now let's check out the audio. So now this is the video which I'm recording using the external microphone connected to my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is how the audio is going to be. You can compare the audio of this with the audio recorded using the AirPods Pro and see which one is best, because I feel this is slightly better, but as per the convenience, our AirPods is always with us when we go outside. I bought this specifically for recordings or talking into the camera to post on Instagram, like Instagram stories. Whenever I'm outside, I want to record a good audio which is audible. The problem is I often forget to carry it with me, unlike the AirPods Pro, which are always with me. So there is a bit of convenience using AirPods Pro as external microphone, but you be the judge of the quality of the audio. So this is it in this video. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.